Hello everyone and welcome to this video of Marg ERP, in which today we will learn that how we can do the renewal of Marg e-business apps from Marg website. But before this, let us know that in which all cases there is a need to do the renewal of e-business apps. Now when the validity of Marg e-business apps like e-order, e-retail, e-honor and e-stock is going to get expired or the validity has got finished, so in that case, there is a need to renew the apps in order to easily receive the online orders from our parties or customers without any interruption. If timely renewal of e-business apps is not done, then you will not be able to receive the online orders from your parties or customers, due to which your sales will get decreased and it will also have a negative impact on the customer relationship. So in order to get rid of all these problems, we need to renew our e-business apps on timely basis. Now let's come and see in this video that how we can do the renewal of Marg e-business apps from official Marg website. For that, firstly we will go to Marg's official website through any web browser, that is www.margerp.com or www.margcompusoft.com. and then click on payment tab, which is given on the first menu bar. So a window of e-business payment will get open with different options or fields like payment details, billing address, GSTIN detail, which are mandatory to be filled. We will fill these given fields one by one, in which firstly we will come to the payment details. In payment details, first is company ID. Here we will feed the company ID, and in CAPTCHA field we fill the CAPTCHA which is given here. Then we will click this tick sign as shown here. As you will click on the tick sign, then on the basis of your company ID, your company name, license number and address details will be shown to you along with different plans of e-business apps, that is e-retail and e-order, e-honor and e-stock. You will select your e-business plan as per your requirement. Suppose in e-retail and order, we will select unlimited salesman plus unlimited retailers or customers plan. After this, come to the billing address, in which country will be set as India by default. But if you belong to out of India, then you will select your country from the drop down of country field as per your requirement. Then is mobile number. Here you will mention your registered mobile number and press enter. As you will press enter, then on the basis of your registered mobile number, your registered email ID, firm name and address will automatically get filled. Then is state or province. Here you will mention that state from which you belong. And in the same way, in city field you will mention the city. And in zip or postal code field, you will mention the postal code of your area, means pin code. Then is remark field. If you want to give any remark, then you will mention the remark, otherwise you can also skip this field. After this, come to GSTIN detail, in which you will mention your GSTIN number. Then you can skip it if you want. So after filling all the necessary details, we will click on this Pay Now tab, which is given here. As you will click on Pay Now tab, you will be redirected to the payment gateway window, where on the left hand side of the window you will be able to see the payable amount, and on the right hand side you can see the multi-mode of payment options. From here you will click on that mode through which you want to do the payment, that is cards, credit or debit, net banking, wallet, etc. Suppose we want to do the payment through debit card, so we will click on cards option given here and fill the given details as per the requirement which are shown to you on the screen. And here one thing you will take care of is that if you want that to save the mentioned card details for faster payments in future, then in that case you will tick this tick box of save this option securely for faster payment, otherwise remain it as untick. So in this way, after filling the payment details, we will click on proceed tab and complete the payment process. So friends, by following the process shown in this video, you can easily do the renewal of Marg e-business apps from Marg website. Thank you.
Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.